So hello guys, I'm in Renault Megane first series model. It's BA. It is a 16V. It is a 1.4 gasoline engine and the 2000s years. Quite old one, but still in good use. So today I will do a really quick thing, just replace the air filter. As you see, this is how it looks. I bought some sort of cheap one. And for this one you will actually need just one screwdriver with torque head. It is, as you see, probably don't see, but it's T20 torque head, and that's about it, just screwdriver and then filter. Let's get outside. It's pretty windy there, so probably be some noise, but anyway. So the air filter is located right here, and to get there you just need to move this one. This is on clips, so just pull it outwards and that's about it. And then you can work your way here with these two bolts. So when both bolts are removed, well, you have to pull this one upwards like this. Just pull it upwards and it will just come out, and slide this one a bit more towards this side probably, and then you can just take this one pretty easily out. And then just take out the old filter. You see, the foams goes inwards like that. There's a lot of dirt here, just throw them away. Take your new filter and install it. Just one way you can install correctly, so you cannot do it wrongly. Make sure all this one goes a little bit inwards. And when you're done with sealing, just sweep out some dirt. Probably there are some. Okay, when you swept out dirt there, take the unit, put these ones down there, the clips, and slide it from the same way you took it out. Went like this, okay. And lock the bottom part. As you see, there are these things, and you have to just slide this one like kind of vertically like this, and it's now installed nice in place. And then just bolt this together. Do not over tighten, because if you see the plastic linings are together, you cannot do it more. Make sure it's not down there free, slacking or whatever else. And when it's all right, fine, just take a piece of this one and slide it back over the top. Make sure that the bottom part is not under but over Okay, and that's about it. Now it's in place and all is fine good. Thanks for watching and goodbye.